Stop throwing your budget away on outdated advertising campaigns. If you want to know exactly how to run TikTok ads without draining your entire budget in the first 24 hours, this video is exactly what you need. Most of the tutorials out there only show you which buttons to click. But today, we are diving deep into modern cost optimization and efficient campaign structuring. I am going to break down the exact three-step system that helps beginners set up their accounts, test their creatives, and achieve a positive return on ad spend using the platform's latest AI capabilities. We will go step by step through building your tracking foundation, structuring your campaigns based on real dashboard settings, and testing your creatives effectively. Let us dive right into step 1, which is the critical foundation, installing the TikTok Pixel. Running ads without a pixel is like driving a car with a blindfold on. It tracks what users do after they click your ad. Without it, the TikTok algorithm has no data to learn from. To set it up, go to your dashboard, head over to Events Manager, and create a new web event. You can easily connect it through partner integrations like Shopify or WooCommerce, which takes literally 2 minutes without touching any code. Just make sure to turn on advanced matching. This is mandatory to capture high-quality conversion data and feed the algorithm the exact roadmap it needs to find your ideal buyers. Now that your foundation is rock solid, we move on to step 2, campaign setup and targeting. In TikTok Ads Manager, click on the Campaign tab, hit Create, and always choose website conversions as your objective to ensure you target actual buyers. Now let's look closely at your setup to protect your budget. Under Optimization Location, make sure to select Website. Keep your goal set to conversion, connect your pixel data, and set your optimization event to complete payment. For targeting, avoid making your audience too narrow. Leave interests relatively open and only restrict location, age, or gender based on your actual product. Let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. As you prepare to launch, the biggest hurdle for beginners is the fear of spending their own money during the initial learning phase. To optimize your budget right from the start, you can unlock growth with a limited time offer. You can get up to $6,000 in ad credits through TikTok's official matching program. It is an earned credit, meaning when you spend $220, you will get an additional $220 in ad credits automatically applied to your account. This matching credit is automatically applied when you use the link placed in the very first line of the description below. Go ahead, click that link to claim your credits, and come right back to the video. Now, let's look at your bid strategy drop-down on the screen. When starting out, select Highest Volume. This tells TikTok to maximize your total conversion volume within your budget to gather baseline data quickly. Once your data matures and you understand your exact customer acquisition cost, you can open this drop-down again and switch to Target Cost Per Result to enter your specific target CPA and tightly control your profit margins. This brings us to step 3, your creatives. On TikTok, your ad must look like a native piece of content that belongs on the For You page. Because TikTok has evolved into a massive search platform, make sure your video's hook answers direct user search queries right in the first 3 seconds. To beat creative fatigue without a huge budget, you can leverage TikTok's built-in Symphony Creative Studio to generate high-performing UGC-style variants effortlessly. You should test at least 3 to 5 variations. Once your ads are running, read the data logically. If your click-through rate CTR is below 1%, your hook isn't catching attention. If your CTR is high but conversions are low, your landing page needs work. Cut the poorly performing ads and scale the winning ones by gradually increasing their daily budget by 20% every 2 days. To summarize, succeeding with TikTok ads requires a methodical approach. Build an advanced matching pixel foundation. Configure your bid strategies accurately using highest volume. Use broad targeting and constantly refresh your creatives with native content. To start this journey and scale faster, remember to claim your matching ad credits of up to $6,400 when you spend your first $220 by using the link in the video description below. Disclaimer: advertising involves financial risk and past performance does not guarantee future results. Using my link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, Subscribe for more digital marketing deep dives, and I will see you in the next video.